Europe needs competitive, resilient solar manufacturing. The project IBC4EU shows with its final results how this can be achieved. Funded by the EU's Horizon Europe programme, IBC4EU has delivered industrial-ready, interdigitated back-contact solar cell energy developed and protected in Europe and designed for gigawatt-scale manufacturing. A key breakthrough is silver reduction. By introducing copper screen printing, IBC4EU reduced silver use by 83%, down to just 4 milligrams per watt. This sharply lowers exposure to silver price volatility, reduces supply chain dependencies and cuts material costs. A critical advantage for investors planning long-term photovoltaic manufacturing in Europe and beyond. At the same time, the project achieved cell efficiencies up to 24.5%, with clear pathways to above 26% in industrial production. Advanced module designs reached 23% module efficiency, passed full climate testing, and have already been deployed in real operating environments. Crucially, all processes are IP secured in Europe and compatible with existing production equipment. This makes IBC4EU not a lab concept, but a ready-to-industrialize manufacturing platform. IBC4EU proves that high performance, cost stability, and European technology leadership can go hand in hand, and offers a strong foundation for the next wave of photovoltaic investment and industrial policy in Europe.